What is mental strength? Many people think mental strength means never crying, never feeling pain, or never failing. But that is not true. Mental strength is the ability to keep moving, even when life becomes difficult. It means standing up after every fall. It means believing in yourself when nobody else believes in you. Life is not easy. Everyone faces problems. Some people lose money. Some people lose friends. Some people lose confidence. Some people lose hope. The difference is not the problem. The difference is how people react. A mentally strong person says, "This is not the end. This is another lesson." Pain is your teacher. Nobody likes pain, but pain teaches lessons that comfort never can. When everything is easy, we do not grow. When life becomes difficult, we become stronger. Think about a seed. Before it becomes a tree, it stays under the dark soil. It faces rain. It faces storms. It pushes through the ground. Only then does it see the sunlight. Your life is the same. Sometimes your difficult season is preparing you for a beautiful future. Never hate your struggles. Your struggles are training you. Control your mind. The biggest battle is not outside. The biggest battle is inside your mind. Every day your mind speaks to you. Sometimes it says, "You are not good enough. You will fail. People are better than you." If you believe these thoughts, you become weak. Instead, answer your mind. Say, "I am learning. I am improving. I will not stop." Your mind listens to the words you repeat every day. Choose powerful words. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison steals happiness. Someone will always be richer. Someone will always be smarter. Someone will always be faster. But nobody can be you. Your journey is different. Your timing is different. Focus on becoming better than yesterday, not better than someone else. Every small improvement matters. Even 1% progress every day creates a big change over time. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Many people wait to feel motivated, but motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. A student studies even when tired. An athlete trains even when it rains. A successful person works even without applause. Do not ask, "Do I feel like doing it?" Ask, "Is this important for my future?" Your future is built by what you do today. Failure is not your enemy. Most successful people failed many times. Failure teaches. Failure improves. Failure prepares. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again, but the baby never says, "Walking is not for me." The baby keeps trying. One day, the baby walks. Life works the same way. Keep trying, keep learning, keep improving. Build daily mental strength. Every morning ask yourself, "What good thing can I do today?" Read 10 pages. Learn 10 English words. Exercise for 20 minutes. Help one person. Smile more. Complain less. These small actions slowly build a powerful mind. Success is not one big moment. Success is thousands of small good decisions. Believe before you see. Many people only believe after success comes. Mentally strong people believe before success arrives. They continue working in silence. They trust the process, even when nobody notices them, even when results are slow. Because they know, a strong tree grows slowly. Final message. Your greatest enemy is not failure. Your greatest enemy is giving up. You are stronger than you think. You are braver than you feel. You are more capable than you imagine. Do not let one bad day make you believe you have a bad life. Keep moving. Keep learning. Keep believing. One day your pain will become your power. Your struggles will become your strength. And your story will inspire someone who is about to give up. A strong mind creates a strong life.